Hi friends, welcome to Dhiksoochi. I hope you have done both buying and selling of the stocks. As we thought of doing with Aditya Birla, so this has given chances for us to both for buying as well as for selling. In the sense for shorting as well as buying. Okay, both the ways I hope we got the profit. Whoever has taken the trades in both the ways. Okay, now let us see the status of Nifty and Bank Nifty, also the other stocks for today and tomorrow's trades. Okay, let me take in now. So here if you see the indices, both were in downtrend, both recorded in negative, both closed at negative. Bank Nifty little pushed up early in the morning, later on it followed the trend as Nifty. So Nifty opened at 17,921. It went up to 17,944. It was almost at the beginning of the first 15 minutes. Later on it went down even up to 17,648, means almost 300 points down. Finally closed at 17,757. Bank Nifty 38,106 was opening point. It went up to 38,168, just another 50 points above. This also happened with the first 5 minutes or 15 minutes, maximum 15 minutes. Later on it went down up to 37,592, almost 500 points went down. And slowly picked up and finally closed at 37,850. So it lost 190 points today. What is the reason? This is a third day in a row why the Nifty and Bank Nifty are closing in negative. The markets, the news, the media says that the first reason may be the bond yields are increasing in foreign. That is one of the reasons why our Indian market got affected. How? The foreign portfolio investors have shown more interest in those kind of bonds where yields are increasing and started increasing their selling, especially in Indian market. So that is the another reason why our Indian markets are seeing the losses in these 3 days. This is what actually the media presents. Of course, may be the reason, right? Now, let us see what is our short-term investment. So as we discussed yesterday, whenever the BEL records high for the day, you can exit, I said. But fortunately, the BEL has recovered by 4 points comparatively yesterday. But DLF lost 40 paisa comparatively yesterday. So DLF is not shown much change in its price. BEL has shown some little improvement in that. So let us wait for tomorrow also. And if it records good profits, even again conditions apply. If Nifty in a positive trend or uptrend, then we can wait for it. Otherwise, better to exit both the trades, whatever the profit it is going to book for us. Okay, that is what about short-term investment review. Now, let us see the intraday, whatever the trades you have taken today. First, let us come to Axis Bank. Entry 731 we thought of and target is 737. It is almost met. This is also happened in the first 15 minutes. First 15 minutes. Later on, it followed the trend of Bank Nifty. Of course, Axis Bank also one among the banks which is going to affect the Bank Nifty. So, Bank Nifty is in downtrend, same the Axis Bank also downtrend. Okay, so whatever the profit we have booked at the first 15 minutes itself. Then Varun Beverages Limited, we thought of taking at 940, but first half means before 1 o'clock it did not meet our entry price. So of course we have left it. I told you in several videos saying that whenever it is getting delayed in meeting these prices, better not to hit, not to trade. So happened the same thing. 942 was happened around 2 o'clock. Okay, so whoever, if at all you have taken the trade, I think there is no much loss because it is not hit our target. Probably it is nearer to our entry price. So I don't think so you have taken the trade. Again I am telling you, if any entry price is hitting after almost 12 o'clock, then better don't go for this trade. Then Gujarat State Petronet also happened the same thing. It did not give us an opportunity to trade with. We thought of taking entry at 319, but day's high itself 319.8, which was met around 2 o'clock again. So these two trades are not given us opportunity to do with. Now Aditya Birla Fashion Retail, I specifically mentioned yesterday saying that if at all the stock opens with positive, even you can take the entry at 310, even at 312 also not a problem. 315 should be your target. So luckily today it opened with a positive note and it was rallying upward direction. Also the day's high met at 317. So if anyone has taken trade for buying, they have got the profit within half an hour of the day or even after 1 hour, within 1 hour. Okay, and same stock has coming down at the time when it met at 310, then few might have taken the trade for it, right? So that is, entry might have taken at 313 and here we met our target of 310. So Aditya Birla Fashion has given us both the opportunities for buying at 310 and selling at 315, also selling at 315 and buying at 310. So both the ways the Aditya Birla Fashion stock has given us the profit. So this is what the mixed trade for us today. And REC Limited, we thought of making shorting, but at the beginning itself, from the beginning it was rallying upward direction and there was no downtrend. So if at all anybody has think wisely and had taken entry, of course they might have booked some or the other return. If not, if they have taken entry at 137.6, definitely they might have met a stop loss, but I don't think so there was an opportunity for us to take the entry around, because the open price itself around 137.8, which was at first 1 minute itself. So this also we missed the trade. In case if you have done with buying, then probably you might have got the profit because it also went up to 139.5, which was more than our stop loss. So I am not expecting that somebody has got profit on this because I suggested for shorting. But here I am surely confirming once again that we discussed that if the positive trend, then definitely you can go for buying. So this is what, friends, today the intraday review, and let us see the stocks for tomorrow. So first stock I can suggest is Nippon Life Asset Management Limited, where you can take the entry around 362.5 and target you can keep with 6 rupees, that is 368.125. So better ignore such kind of points whenever the market is in a mixed mode. If it is in a positive trend, you can increase another 1 rupee over here. Stop loss you can go for 358. Whereas DLF Limited, you can make it entry at 408.50 and the target is 411, 3 rupees exactly. So stop loss is 2 rupees, that is 406.5. Canara Bank and State Bank of India, if PSU, public sector bank index is in a positive trend, definitely both are going to give us the profits tomorrow. So entry you can take for Canara Bank at 229 and book the profit for 1 rupee 50 paisa. Even State Bank of India also 512.70 can be your entry and your target should be 560. and for this stop loss is 510.5 and Canara Bank is 228. Okay, so Tata Steel Limited 1211. You can target for 7 rupees over here. 7 to even you can mark for 10 rupees, not a problem. If at all the stock in a positive mode. Of course, the steel index and steel industry is doing well out of all these difficulties in index Indian stock market. Then you can take an entry at 1211 and you can mark it for 1218, maximum of 1220. So stop loss can be 1205 rupees 75 paisa. So these are the stocks I can suggest for you for tomorrow to do intraday. When come for support and resistance review, we thought that the support can be at 17,890 and 17,700. But I saw the support, it was trying to take around 17,770 and it doesn't give much push to the stock. Again it faced resistance within half an hour at 17,835 in addition to the 65 points. That's it. Later on again it started coming down and finally before closing it took little support at 17,660. The Bank Nifty, we expected that it may take at 38,000, support at 38,000, but it started taking no support around before first candle, first 15 minutes itself, it started facing the resistance at 38,130. First half an hour itself, 38,100 acted as resistance. Then slowly it went down to 37,850 and trying to push up, but it again turned downside at 38,050. Finally it taken final support at 37,590. So this is what the Nifty and Bank Nifty support and resistance for the day, friends, what we observed today. And for this, based on this, we can assume, and analysis also saying that the Nifty, it may take support at 17,720 and 17,660, whereas resistance 17,830 and 17,930. Bank Nifty 37,770 and 37,615. So resistance comes 38,030 with another 50 points. 38,080 is the second resistance. So this is what, friends, for tomorrow. So hope you can enjoy the profits tomorrow also, even Nifty and Bank Nifty in a downtrend. At least we try to close the market with a little profits, even if not touching our targets, if both are in a downtrend. Okay, so that's what, and I wish you a very happy trading day and profitable day tomorrow. Again we'll see in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.